back to another video. In this video I will be recreating a inspo pic that I got from Pinterest. I'm going to insert the picture on the look that I was going for. I actually feel like I did really good on this. I really got into my more of designs and stuff like that, so that's what I'm trying to get into, doing more of the artwork and stuff like that on the nails. So I think I really did achieve this look, and I think it really good. Let me know down in the comments down below what y'all think about it. So right here I'm just filing the nails. I decided to go in with the natural tip and not the clear tip. I don't know, I was just feeling just the natural tip, so that's what I went for. Right here I'm taking the Dynamic Nail Supply Nude. This is a really good nude. If y'all located in Houston area and y'all trying to look for good nail supply stores, I definitely recommend checking out Dynamic Nail Supply. They have everything that you need, and it's an affordable price. Everybody love affordable prices, right? So go ahead and check it out. So yeah, right here I'm just going to I'm applying the powder on the nails, making sure that you get the full nail. Make sure you take your time doing this process. I was not even in camera. I don't know what I was doing. Okay, now I'm back. Anyway, y'all, this whole process, trying to film a nail video, it's challenging. Like, it really is. It look easy, but y'all, it's just a process trying to keep your hand in the camera and everything. It really is a process, but we got through it, y'all. But yeah, this part right here is just gonna be me applying, doing my application. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this, and then I will get back with y'all. Nobody do bodies like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do bodies like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these better niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah. Whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Got a month of coke because the kid the coldest. Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch or both. Make the braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Got it fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you running the Benz and a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I'm no walking up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. They can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Guns and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I'm broke, I see it pop out 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we second up, swallow and swallow. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BM up. They gon' jump, got phones in my right or left. And you talk up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pockets, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the trunks, I'm counting more fake. Sky swelling, smoothly in a prison. Time is 50 flying, rich and mellow. But they got me to his temple. Because I spit the flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a ticket.
Alright, y'all, so this is the application. This is with the top coat, and let's get into the design. So as y'all can see, I did everything off camera. The only thing I didn't do is like the Crocs. So me doing this Frenchies was it wasn't really challenging. It was just a little bit, because y'all, doing Frenchies is very like time consuming, and also you just want to make sure that it's perfect. Well, it's perfect it can get. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I did the heart, I did the 3D heart. It actually came out really good. I'm going to put like little rhinestones right there. Y'all, don't mind my hands. This spider gel, if y'all work with spider gel before, y'all know. But this is what it looks like, y'all. I hope y'all guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I'll catch y'all in my next one.